Feeling hungry but too comfy to cook? Let's dive into how to effortlessly order food using Uber Eats. First, open the Uber Eats app on your phone. You'll immediately see a variety of restaurants near you. Scroll through the options or use the search bar at the top. You can also use the filters button to narrow down your search. Once you find a restaurant that sparks your interest, tap its name to browse the menu. Select the items you want by tapping on them. Now customize your order. Many items allow you to add specific instructions. Once you're happy with your customization, tap Add to Cart. Review your selected items in the cart. You can adjust quantities or remove items if needed. Tap View Cart to proceed to checkout. On the checkout screen, confirm your delivery address. Select your preferred payment method and choose your delivery options. Once everything looks good, tap Place Order. And that's it. Uber Eats will show you the order confirmation. Now you can track your order progress in real time. Now sit back, relax, and get ready to enjoy your delicious Uber Eats delivery.